I'm gonna save that photo to my camera roll, just of you. And I better not see you the same exact person this time next year. Mentally, spiritually, physically, financially, you better not be the same person. And just so I know, and just so you know, I want you to put your goals, the person you're gonna be this time next year, in the comments right now. I want you to visualize that. Do not make this another year of wasted potential. You could walk out of 2024 into 2025 living your dream life, to live the life you deserve to live. Every single day you waste is another day that you don't get to spend living your dream life. That should fucking haunt you. You want to make the most out of this existence, bro. 1 in 400 trillion chance of actually being born. It is so disrespectful to waste a day, a week, a month, let alone a fucking year. I want 2024 to be the best year of your life. No more excuses, no more bullshit. This is where everything changes for you, your family, the people you care about, all because you took action. Watch this video 2, 3, 4 times if you need to, bro, to get it ingrained in your mind that 2024 is gonna be your best year yet, no matter the circumstances. And I want you to come back to this video at the end of 2024, look at your comment you put down below, and see if you went through with your promise. You've got this, bro. Let's fucking go.